7 installed, 3 crashed instantly. I spent several days testing IPTV services on my Firestick, and what I found was eye-opening. Some providers took my money and vanished. Others gave a trial that worked perfectly, then the real server was a disaster. Today I am sharing my top 3 picks that actually survived every test. Let me save you the headache. Provider number 1, IPTV with box. This Canadian provider immediately stood out. I watched a full Premier League match and a movie back-to-back, 0 buffering, 0 freeze. The stream held rock solid even during peak hours. Channels are well organized with a clean EPG, and their support team responded in under 10 minutes. On pricing, the 3-month plan is $34.24 USD, and the 12-month plan is $55.64 USD, very competitive for the quality you get. The only small drawback, the site prices display in Canadian dollars first, which can confuse newcomers. Still, this is my number 1 pick, hands down. Provider number 2, Kemo IPTV. I tested Kemo during a Champions League knockout match. The picture stayed crisp in high definition the entire time. Installation on Firestick was straightforward, and multi-device support worked without any issues. The 3-month plan is $29 USD, and the 6-month plan is $36 USD, no 12-month listed, but the 6-month is a solid deal. Small drawback, no annual plan if you want to lock in a full year. Provider number 3, Marinios IPTV. I streamed a basketball game and then binge-watched a series, both experiences were smooth. Their VOD library is genuinely large and up-to-date. Pricing, 3 months for $29 USD, and 12 months for $63 USD, minor note, they do not accept PayPal, which some viewers prefer. Overall still a strong option. My verdict, number 1, IPTV with box, best value and stability. Number 2, Kemo IPTV, great quality, flexible plans. Number 3, Marinios IPTV, huge VOD library. I tested all 3 using Visiona, our completely free player at visiona.tv, available on the App Store and Google Play. All links are in the description and pinned comment. See you in the next one.